What should I do for the side effects belching and flatulence?
Use antispasmodic medicine, such as Buscopan tablets and Cyclone containing products for belching and flatulence. You can also use apple cider vinegar for flatulence.
What to do with loss of appetite while on Ozempic injection?
Ozempic causes loss of appetite. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do about it because that is the desired effect of Ozempic injection.
How to treat exhaustion and fatigue with Ozempic?
Well, fatigue and exhaustion is another common side effect of Ozempic. However, this can be easily treated. Take omega capsules, but avoid taking other multivitamins as they can act as appetite stimulants. Omega capsules will also help you lose more weight. For the best omega capsules, open the link in the description.